Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to fix Google Play Store Payment Unavailable. First thing first, on your Android phone or tablet, open the Settings app. Go to Apps or Applications, then tap See All Apps to view the full list. Now scroll through the list and tap on Google Play Services. Tap Storage and Cache or just storage on some devices, then tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files. You can repeat the same steps for Google Play Store and Google Play Services because both can store corrupted cache data. After cleaning, restart your phone and reopen Play Store. This will fix app not downloading, Play Store keeps stopping, or payments or sign-in issues, payments. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.